Today we are going to discuss about pulmonary arterial hypertension. Most of you may not know about that, but those who are suffering, they may know it very better. Okay, pulmonary arterial hypertension means when our heart is pumping the deoxygenated blood to lungs, there is one artery which is blocked, or which is maybe some of the cell defect, or some because of pressure is increased, or because of constriction, any other reason the blood is not reaching to lungs. Instead of lungs, it will come backward pressure आता है, it's coming on backward, then there is a chance of heart dilation. Right heart will be dilated more. Then if we keep on, we are neglecting that, what happens once the right heart failure, it start right heart failure. The stages is mild, moderate, severe, severely severe right heart failure. All these we have to suffer because of the pH. Then what is normal range? Usually if it is below 25, there is no pH. If the patient is above 70 mmHg pulmonary arterial pressure, that is severe stage. But patient may not get the symptoms on that time. That is the hidden problem of this disease. Usually after 85 the patients start getting continuous cough, dry cough, chest pain, lot of breathlessness, very lethargic, tired, feel then SpO2 will be very low, 88, 90, 92, like that. There may be sometime patient need on oxygenation. All these problems we can find out in such patients. But after 85 only most of the patient get the symptoms like that. Usually patient come to me after right heart failure, after above 100 with right heart failure. Maybe if you keep on not getting proper treatment, the patient may reach to biventricular failure, even left and right heart failure we can see in such patients. Most of the patients come to me like that, but I don't want last stage patient come to me and I am in trouble. I just want reach to the patient before reaching such stage. Let the patient come to know about the treatment, because normally for the pH there is no result oriented treatment. Only the patient can be just experimental medication. There is no result yet. They are trying to find out the medicine, but not yet. But I am getting the result in the echo. The patient cardiologist usually check the patient's result after each course of medication. Lot of patients, not very most of the patients, but lot of patients get to their normal life. At least the pH will come down to moderate or mild level. There won't be any right heart failure, and we can keep our heart in the normal size, right heart. That is the treatment stage I do. But for that, most of the before getting to such an extreme stage, if the patient come the time when before the right heart failure, or before so much dilation of right heart, it will be easy for me for the treatment. That I am telling. When back pressure is there, the right heart is dilating, no, there itself we have to start. Then most of the patient won't feel the symptoms. There the patient face the problem here. So I always tell those who have the genetic problem, genetically if somebody have this pH for father, mother, all that, you please check the echo in between. After we are doing so much stress also, the patient who is already in pH but we do not know, it may come out. So much exertional works and all. Those who have hidden pH, it will come up. That's all. Not like if we do so much exercise, we get pH. It's not like that. But though this is genetic disease or it is hidden disease, we come to know later on. So in between, if somebody take echo 5 years or 6 years once, we may find out this. Usually some of the patients used to come like 20-25 years old self. For young person like 20, 25, 30 and all, we find out pH and come for the treatment. But this is primary typical pH patient. We have to be very careful not exceed its 100. If we find out this pH, don't wait for it come to the last stage. because I am warning, there is no other treatment which is effectively giving the result in echo, but I could able to give the echo report. You can find out everything in my Ayurheart website, AYURHEART. My website, all the details are given over there. You can call and discuss. There is no need of coming and admitting here and take the treatment. Patient can call and contact me. I will guide you how to do all these things. How to get rid of them, at least how to reduce. Always patient call and ask whether you can cure this. I cannot cure, I cannot tell, but I can definitely reduce the pH and complication, because such type of diseases there is no treatment. If the patient keep on waiting for the other diseases, and it will become to such a complication like severe right heart failure and all, very difficult. If how much pH, no problem, but if our heart is very strong, heart is not getting failure, it's not well and good, but it's very difficult, no? Above 100, most of the patient get the heart failure. This is the primary pH. The secondary pH is because of some other reason we are getting pH. That is secondary pH. Because of the AST, VST, if somebody is getting, only I can do the dilation of right heart, I can reduce that it is, and symptomatically the patient will be improved, but the patient will be having so much heart palpitation, the strong heartbeats they feel, that very difficult for me to control, but all other things I can make, I can help you out. But some other, there is other reasons also for pH. If such a secondary pH, I could give you more good result than whichever I mentioned earlier, no, I usually get better result than other. So please don't feel desperate, don't feel depressed, there is no treatment, I am going to die, all that. Don't feel that. Even there is patients who is on oxygen so many years, but pH will be very normal after my treatment, but they cannot remove the oxygenation. All such type of lot of patients are there. But slowly we are reducing the oxygenation level which we are providing, slowly we will remove that. This is the pH treatment which is available in Ayurheart. If those who are very much desperate, please contact in the Ayurheart. You will get, definitely you can think in the very positive way. Thank you.
ഈ രോഗത്തെക്കുറിച്ചും രോഗചികിത്സയെക്കുറിച്ചും ആധികാരികമായിട്ടുള്ള അറിവ് ഇനിയും നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ലഭിക്കുന്നതിനായി ദയവായി ഞങ്ങളുടെ ചാനൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക, കൂടെ ബെൽ ബട്ടൺ കൂടി അമർത്തുക.